So as we have seen so far, the general workflow in Dynamo goes from an input to an output, passing through a function, and then the values we're getting will constitute another functions up to the end. So we can go from less to more, and still we can create elements or get value from the elements. For example, in the case of color, we can get the blue value, and it's asking us for a color, so the color goes input to input, and the final result is the number of that color. For example, if we get the components, it's asking us for a color, and what it's giving us, it's a list of the values that we're giving it for saturation, red, green, and blue, and so on. That can be the input for another function, etc. So in this course, we're going to be working with geometrical elements, instructions from Revit, so that will help you get the general idea, as well as we will be using some strings.